Hey guys, Jules here from Sprint Booster. Today we're going to be doing an install on this 2008 G37 S. The first thing you'll do is open your driver's side door for at least 10 minutes. Take the key fob and walk about 20 feet away. This allows the CAN bus system to reset. On this application, the gas pedal is floor mounted. Therefore, we need to remove the pedal from the car. To do that, the first step is to remove the bolt cover covering the two bolts which mount the pedal to the floor. For this, we used a small screwdriver and a trim puller tool. Now that you have access to the bolts, use a socket wrench to remove them. To unclip the harness from the pedal, press down on the clip while pulling out on the clip. We did notice that this clip was fairly stiff, so we used the screwdriver to push down on the clip in order to get it off. Now it's time to install the Sprint Booster in line between the pedal and the harness. Remember, press until it clicks. Now that the Sprint Booster is installed, you have to install the selector switch cable. Press until it clicks. We notice this particular car does have a nice little spot to mount this unit just to the left of the driver.
Hey guys, my name is Dylan. I have an 08 G37 S 6-speed manual. So my car was not starting as how I want it to be. So I got a spring booster installed by GRP Performance. Right now it's set up to race level 9. Oh, definitely there's a difference. Oh yeah, there's a difference. There's a big difference, totally. I definitely recommend this product to Nissan or Infiniti owners. If your car is equipped with electronic throttle, this is a good bang for the buck mod.
That was the install of a Sprint Booster on the 2008 G37 S. You can let us know in the comments below what application you guys would like to see next, or you can reach out to us at sprintboosterusa.com.